Way engines. One choice. Thousands of miles, millions of dollars, and your sanity on the line. Today, it's the Volvo D13 Turbo Compound versus the Detroit DD17. Which one truly earns its place under your hood? Before you think, it's just another engine comparison. Think again. What if the wrong choice could cost you $10,000 a year or more in fuel and downtime? That's not just money. That's missed loads, broken contracts, and sleepless nights. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know which engine dominates in power, efficiency, uptime, and ultimately, profitability. Back in index pointing right-o, and stick around because we'll reveal a hidden design flaw that no one's talking about. Cliffhanger. The meat, information, and analysis. Let's start with the raw data. The Volvo D13 TC delivers up to 455 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. But that's not the exciting part. It's the turbo compound system, a secondary turbine that recycles waste heat into extra torque. Basically, this engine doesn't just run, it recycles its own energy. Think of it like a coffee drinker who reuses their caffeine buzz every hour. A little weird, but also brilliant. Now meet its challenger, the Detroit DD17, built on the backbone of the proven DD15. With up to 515 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque, it flexes hard, especially on grades. But numbers don't tell the full story. Question for you. When was the last time just horsepower paid your fuel bill? That brings us to the next battle. Fuel efficiency, where profits are won and lost. Here's where things get real. The Volvo D13 TC is obsessed with efficiency. That turbo compound tech we mentioned earlier, it cuts fuel consumption by up to 6.5%. Over 100,000 miles, that's roughly $4,500 in savings per truck. Now, the Detroit DD17 answers with AMT integration and optimized downspeeding. And yes, it's fuel smart too, especially in highway-heavy fleets. But ask any long hauler, who's smoother at 1,100 RPM, cruising at 65 miles per hour. Volvo's powertrain is so refined, it almost whispers. Let's pause. Ever felt your truck hum in perfect sync with your coffee cup? That's not Zen. That's Volvo's I-Shift magic. DD17? Good, but not as spiritual. Reliability and maintenance, the true cost of downtime. Look, power and MPG are sexy, but when your rig is in the shop instead of on the highway, none of that matters. The Volvo D13 TC wins with fewer moving parts, simplified aftertreatment, and the brand's rock-solid uptime support. Bonus, Volvo's remote diagnostic system can identify issues before they become breakdowns. Detroit answers back with virtual technician, longer oil change intervals, and parts availability through Freightliner's expansive service network. Both claim uptime, but let's be honest. Who hasn't waited 3 days for a back-ordered sensor in the middle of Arizona? And here's that hidden flaw we promised. Reveal and decision, the closer. While the Volvo D13 TC boasts high efficiency, some mechanics whisper about turbo compound heat stress over time, especially under heavy loads and steep climbs. Is it deal-breaking? No, but it's a wear factor to monitor. On the flip side, the DD17 uses EGR and SCR systems that can be sensitive to sensor issues and DEF quality. Inconsistency there can lead to forced derates, and no one wants a 5 miles per hour crawl on a delivery schedule. Direct hit final showdown. Who wins for you? If your priority is fuel economy, smoother integration, and cutting-edge diagnostics, the Volvo D13 TC may be your weapon of choice. But if you want sheer horsepower, service availability, and a no-nonsense platform, the Detroit DD17 could be your fleet's MVP. Chart increasing strategic thought. Smart fleets aren't just picking engines, they're building ecosystems. So the question isn't just which engine, it's which one fits your business model. But here's the kicker, 2026 emissions regulations are coming. And only one of these engines is already built with that future in mind. Want to know which one? Subscribe now and hit the bell because we're breaking that down in next week's video. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comment, bell, and stay ahead of the curve.